We're going to first take a look at the overview of the Vault client application. The Vault will have a server piece and a client piece. The server side will list all the vaults that are on the machine and also host some of the contents in our libraries. Every user will have a Vault client or also Vault Explorer on their machine, and then they'll have add-ins into applications like Inventor and AutoCAD, and also Microsoft Office if you choose. First thing I want to do is I want to look at an overview of the Vault client itself. You can see here I'm ready to be logged in. I have to have a username and a password, and then I have to list what server is hosting the Vault. In the scenario I'm showing here, my laptop is the Vault server and the Vault client at the same time. If I want to know what vaults are hosted on that server, after I type in the server name, I can click this little ellipsis right here. It would show me all the vaults on this machine, on that server. This is the only one, so I'm going to say OK to this and say OK there. So this is the main Vault interface. Over on the left-hand side, you will see that there is a browser here that kind of shows me a hierarchy or the structure that my Vault's seeing. I click on a particular folder. It'll show me the folders over here. I'll go into this one. You can see I have a Spider Lifter 3-arm folder here that contains some files. If I double click on that, it will show me all the files in that folder. If I click on any one of these files, I'm going to click on the top level or on the drawing here. The bottom part of the pane, this over here on the left hand side is called the navigation pane. This portion here with all the file namings is the main pane, and then we have a preview pane. The preview pane will show me a number of different pieces of information on their tabs. The first is the history. What's happened to this file? When was it added? When was it checked in? Any comments on that particular version? You can see here I added this file at on 2/14/2012 at 9:01 a.m. and I put a comment on there, added to the Vault. This is the first time this file has seen the Vault. The Uses tab will basically show me a listing of references that this file has to other files. You can see here that I have SpiderLifter3arm.idw. It's a drawing file that is showing the SpiderLifter 3-arm assembly, and that SpiderLifter 3-arm assembly uses things like the claw, the crank, lift ring, and so on down the line. The Where Used tab would show me where a particular file is used, and again, this is going to kind of be the Uses and Where Used tabs are almost like a bill of material function, but it's only remembering file references and not a true bill of material. So you can see this claw here will tell me that it's used on the SpiderLifter 3-arm, and the SpiderLifter 3-arm drawing is where the SpiderLifter 3-arm assembly is shown. The change order tab is a Vault Professional function. If there was change orders associated with this file, I would see that, but this functionality is only present and only available in Vault Professional. The Preview tab will give me a viewable of the file. If I was looking at the drawing, you can see I could see the drawing here. I can zoom in. I can look at the bill of material. Kind of show me what's going on with that file. If I pick on an individual file again, I can pan, zoom, orbit around, take a look at it, and there's even a nice little measuring utility right here where if I'm not sure how wide this part is, I can get a nice little measurement showing me that. So that's the overview of the navigation here with the navigation pane, the main window, and then the preview bar.